Good morning, family. This is Linda. I want to thank you all for stopping by the channel. I hope you're having a beautiful morning. Yes. But listen, guys, I stopped in today. I'd like to share with you all. I'm dropping some seeds, baby. I am fertilizing some plants with some 511, of course. Also, I would like to share my lunch with you all. All right? But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yay! 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 Hello, everyone. This is Linda. So it's late in the evening, and I'm in my garden. Yep, I want to drop some seeds, y'all. And I've been cleaning and pulling plants. But anyway, if you were in my live Sunday night, then you saw this lettuce. So I'm going to drop this lettuce today on one side of this little container. And then I'm going to drop another variety on the other side. So I'm going to drop a little bit more, just a little bit. Just trying to get in all the daylight I could get in before my son just leave me. So in the other half, I'm going to drop these. I'm going to try to get them. This is lettuce leaf basil. Lettuce leaf basil. You're going to put that on the other side. So I could find a little stick. These mosquitoes is really bugging me now. When I first came out, they were at bay, but now, and listen, guys, a bee bit me right between my nose and my top lip. That bee got me good, y'all. He got me good, but it's a little swollen, and of course it's going to be that way for a little bit, but you know, I'm going to see what my makeup could do. But, you know, I'm not going to stop doing anything because of it, you know. But, yeah, she got me good this morning. It's all right. It's a part of being in the garden, right? Every now and then, you'll get bit. All right, so now I'm going to just put a little soil on top. I have some 511 already mixed up and ready. There she is. There she is. She looked really dim because I left her outside in the sun, so, but she all right. She is all right, y'all. So that is my 2 lettuce. Let me share the other containers I have. So this is my setup I have. It's on just a little table I have out here. And I have all of these containers ready for some seeds, y'all. So I'm going to just share with you what I'm going to drop. Some beets. Let me put that there. Some of this here little gems romaine. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Some leeks. And I'm going to do 2 pots of leeks. These are green onions. Yep. And I'm going to drop some of these. This Chinese broccoli. And I'm going to do a small cup because I'm going to transplant them, of course. Now, I don't have a lot of seeds in these packs, but it's enough for 2. So I'm going to plant that parsley right there. Even though I have 2 containers of parsley, but I don't want to run out. And I'm going to drop some more cauliflower. All right, let me drop that and I'll be back, y'all. All right, y'all. This is Super Juice and 511. Let me tell you, that Super Juice is potent with this 511. Oh, but you know, I know that the plants is gonna just love it, you know. So yeah, we'll get it to them. All right, everybody got some over here. So let's see about these big. Oh, I gave them some already. They good. These little mamas. What's up with them? So hopefully we will shake it up, you know? Shake it up. All right. That is my LSU goal. Yeah, you see the squirrels been just having at it. Yeah, that's okay though. That one is almost ready. Let's see, can I get on this side? Yeah, that's all right. Here's all the trees and yeah. Sorry about my shadow, guys. It's early in the morning and the sun is behind me. I don't know if you can see him. I don't know if that's the male or the female up there. Oh, it's the male. The female was down here eating from the bird feeder a minute ago, but she may be up there. He's beautiful. Yesterday evening, I did a lot of work out here, and I gave a lot of the plants some 511. Yes, I gave her some too. And look at her, man. 17-gallon bucket. She is just massive. Yep, she's a big girl in there. So this is what I did yesterday. I dropped a lot of seeds here. All the containers have some seeds. And yes, I've harvested a lot more sugar cane. And yes, there's a lot more still standing. Yeah, but so I want to share with you, this is the Jamaican Sorrow plant that I grew especially for her seeds only. Right? And I've noticed that there's a lot of pecks in them because the birds know when these seeds are about ready. Look at that. Yeah. They've been pecking at them. But they're not fully ripe yet. So when they get ripe and ready, look at this. You see that? They've been pecking at it. You will see her when I would do this. You could see in the top where it would be brown, a light brown, and you could hear it really crunch from the dryness of the casing there, you know. But they are not ready yet. The bad thing is that if you take them off too soon, now, yeah, they probably would get dry, but they will, you may have the problem of it, the seeds getting moldy because of the moistness. Even if I put it in a brown bag, because they're so closed up in there, it probably would get moldy in there. So I just try to let it stay out here as long as I could. There is another plant. Check it out. And of course, another big baby. But this is the other small um, little Jamaican Sorrow that I have. And yep, look, they've been pecking on it. And see that brown? That's the brown you're looking for. But it's still not ready. I want it ready. I don't want to lose any of the seeds to mold. Yeah. Yeah. And of course, these little beauties is doing good over here. There's more. Look at that. You see the flower here falling off of that elephant ear. But there's another one coming right there. You see that? Yep. All right. I love the color of that plant. She's gorgeous, huh? Yeah, she's pretty. Pretty. All right, family. So I decided to bring y'all in and share my lunch with you all. This is just a half a stick of butter. I melted in my microwave. And here in this little bowl, it's just all the seasoning I use. You know, like garlic powder, onion powder. And this is parsley, green onions, garlic chives, celery. Yeah, that's from the garden. And I just mixed it all in. Now I have some little white potatoes that that I boiled, but that's my sauce I'm going to use. So I boiled these little potatoes. Now you could put them in the air fryer. It just takes longer when you put them in the air fryer. So I just boiled them, cleaned them really good, left the skin on, and I just took a shot glass and okay, y'all, the first one was a doozy, so I kind of went in too hard on it, right? But that's okay because it ate good. So, yeah, just smash it so it could break apart, not necessarily tear up and make mashed potatoes, right? And then there's my mixture I have, and now I'm gonna put a teaspoon of it or more, whatever you like. More is always better. And I just put it all over the potatoes. Yeah, and I just kind of put a lot of it because the sauce is just so good. I mean, it's butter and flavoring and spices and all the things I love in a good meal. But of course, today I'm not eating meat. No special reason. Just didn't want to eat meat today. So we're going to eat these potatoes and fruits. Yes, so this is the way it looks. And now I'm going to put it back in my air fryer. Yep. And this is the way she looks when I took her out the air fryer. It is so good. Now, I went out in my garden. I got some lettuce. I have a dragon fruit. And I have a cactus fruit. Now, I never tasted cactus fruit before, but of course I love the dragon fruit. But the potatoes, y'all, the potatoes, so good. So good. I had to put that fork down because it was just getting in the way. It was getting in the way. And I just added more sauce to my potato. Uh, and I kept a little bit on the side just for dipping. And oh man, it was so good. Really, really good. I enjoyed my lunch today. And the um, the dragon fruit, I'm not a big fan of the cactus fruit. I did taste it. But yeah, I'm very happy to say I tried it. Okay, I tried it. There's a lot of seeds in it, and they are very hard. But no, it's not something that you know I would say I would want to have a lot of. But I did try it, and Yeah, it's a little different. But anyway, guys, as you watch this, I want to invite you all. It's Tuesday night. To my Tuesday night live tonight at 7 p.m. Central Time. I will be live. Yes. And tonight we do have a special guest to talk about their garden. Also, this person is not only, she's not new to gardening, but she is new to YouTube also, okay? But 7 p.m. Central Time here on my channel, you all are invited. All right? But anyway, guys, if you try this recipe, and if you really want to see it from beginning to end, I'll share it again if you would like me to. But it was good, y'all. All right, guys, have a great evening. Oh, but this is the dragon fruit. Yeah, it was good, y'all. It was real good. And I ate one half, all of it. It was so good. All right, guys. I see you all tonight, 7 p.m. on the live. All right, guys. You all have a great day. Have a great day. Later, y'all.